Australia spent $1 billion trying to stop rabbits and made them stronger? In the 1900s, Australia declared war on an enemy so small, so fluffy, it nearly destroyed the continent. This is the insane, true story of how rabbits conquered Australia and why even a 3,000-mile mega fence couldn't stop them. It started with just 24 rabbits in 1859. By 1900, 10 billion. These weren't cute pets. They were eating machines. Sheep starved, crops vanished, dust storms swallowed towns. Australia was losing millions annually and desperate for a solution. Enter the rabbit-proof fence, 3 layers of wire stretching 3,000 miles, longer than the US-Mexico border. It took 5 years to build. Each post had to be sunk 6 feet deep. Why it failed? Rabbits chewed through it, snakes dug under it, kangaroos knocked it down, and the worst part? Rabbits were already on both sides. By 1920, the fence was a $1 billion joke. What followed was ecological chaos. Foxes, introduced to eat rabbits, turned on kangaroos. Poison campaigns killed native animals. Even nuclear testing was considered. Australia learned the hard way. You can't fight nature with brute force. Today, Australia uses bioweapons. Yes, really! A rabbit-killing virus released from helicopters. It works, until rabbits evolve immunity. Some farmers now use AI-powered drones to spot burrows. The war never ended, it just got smarter. So who's winning? After 150 years, still the rabbits. Hit like if you're shocked by this epic fail. Comment, should Australia keep fighting or surrender to the bunnies? And subscribe. Next week, we reveal how cats caused another Australian apocalypse.